I am the bulbous root, the reddish-purple beetroot. I grow under the ground as a color and I'm renowned. I make all your dishes colorful and bright, but don't think I'm a turnip when you see me in white. My long stalks are a purple or green, my big leaves are a bright green. They are nutritious to have them in salads and stews. Have me steamed or raw, grated or diced. Have my juice weekly, once, twice or thrice. In minerals I'm wealthy and fiber so healthy. I give you energy, of infections keep you free. I am full of vitamins, especially folate, to treat heart diseases and anemia. I'm great.